Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Uh, I'm going to make curry, uh, meat curry without the masala, also known as black pepper and salt curry, or in some languages known as shorba. So to make black pepper and salt curry, you need meat. I've got here mutton chops. That's the one I prepare in this dish, but you could use leg meat, shoulder meat, beef meat, whichever you prepare. So you need the meat, you need onion, and the spices you need are these. So you have cumin seeds, you have garam masala, you have crushed coriander, you have a black pepper and salt. That's all you need. Plus you need fresh garlic and ginger, which is more important than the others. I forgot to mention. So first you fry the onions. Bismillah. Okay, so now you add the garlic and the ginger. So we now add the meat. Okay, so when the meat changes the color like so, then you add all the spices to it and give it a good mix. Okay, so after adding the spices, and after a while you add a cup of water to it, and then you put the lid on. Okay, just have a check. Yeah, it's cooking away. It's coming out really good. You know, one of the thing is, whenever you hear the word shorba, you automatically think boiled meat, sick people. Not exactly. If you cook it the right way. I personally prefer it over the masala curry, because with this you can taste the actual meat. With too many spices, it camouflages the flavor of the meat. Okay, so when the curry is ready, what you do is add a butter, about this much. Now this butter will make a lot of difference in the taste. You always use this butter for this type of curry, and it makes a lot of difference in the taste. So the curry is now ready, so wait for the butter to melt, and I'm gonna garnish it with the fresh coriander. It come out really good. You know, you should try this at home. It's very easy to make, and it's very tasty. Okay, so that's now ready. I just add the coriander. That's ready. I'm now gonna ask my wife to make me chapatis, nice and round, shape of the world. And if I go making them, I'll make it part of the world, in the shape of the UK. Not very good. That's what I mean, shape of a world. My little assistant who came to eat is trying out my curry. How is it?
Nice.
Thank you for watching our video, and please try the recipe at home. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share the video. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.